So here's the peel off paste concrete foundation crack repair. It's good for 6 to 10 feet. The one I'm going to test today is the Applied Technologies. It's used to seal foundation cracks. I have a crack on this wall right here. We had heavy rain and water started to pour out, so I got really concerned. I called several companies and got some quotes, and I think there's an industry standard where they won't bill you less than $1,400, and so this kit costs $150 on Amazon, and so I thought, well, let me give it a try. Let me try to do it myself, and if it doesn't work out, then I guess I'll call one of those other companies. So it's worth, if you're a DIYer, if you're not afraid to do stuff on your own, I think this is something that you can do. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube, and it appears to be pretty simple. So here's the crack. I'm gonna give it a close-up. You can see it's like a little bit larger than a 1/16. This is where the water was pouring out, where those arrows are at, and the crack continues through the corner, and it moves to the left a little until it reaches that point. So it's about 8 feet long. The kit says that it's good for 6 to 10 feet. So let's see what's inside the kit. We have a bag to protect the floor. We have a caulk gun. Apparently it's a professional grade caulk gun. DVD instructional video. Safety goggles. Two cartridges of epoxy paste. Two cartridges of the Hydra Stop, which is really the polyurethane foam. Wire brush. Some stir sticks, water bottle, gloves, and the ports. The cool thing about this kit is that it brings the corner ones. So let's see how this goes. So I ran into my first problem. The kit came with 10 corner ports, and they're designed to fit 90-degree corners. Well, my corners are actually rounded. I'm not sure if you can notice on the video, and so I had to take my grinder and round the corners a little bit. So this is before. Let me remove the port. So this was before, and this is after. It kind of looks flat, but it's actually rounded around the top, and so that fits much better than these. Alright, I finished installing the ports. As you can see, hopefully it'll work. So I'm going to start injecting from the bottom up and we'll see how it goes. Alright, I was able to pump every port. Started with this one, and when the liquid polyurethane started coming out of this one, I put the cap on the one at the bottom and started filling the second one, and I did that with each one. Started filling until liquid came out from the one above, and I did it all the way up, and actually you can see the foam expanding already, and you can actually hear it. So I think this is working. I'm actually seeing the foam come out, even a hairline crack that I wasn't aware it was there. So this thing is expanding all the way inside the concrete wall. So I'm very happy about that. Seems to be working better than I expected. It's a bit messy. The kit brought gloves and I used all of them, and I was able to fill 8 feet of crack with just one tube. I still have the second one in a bucket of warm water per the instructions, and I didn't have to use it, so that's a very good thing. Again, a job like this would normally cost over $1,400. I bought the kit in Amazon for $150, and at first I was really afraid that if I could do it, but it wasn't that bad. If you read the instructions, you take it step by step from point A to point B, you can do it. Alright, so this is 4 hours later. I'm going to try to remove the epoxy. kit said it was a peel off, and this is definitely not a peel off. Alright, I finished chiseling the epoxy. It took about an hour. I took my time, piece by piece, until I remove all the epoxy. And now I'm going to sand it a little bit and then repaint it.